Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your own free proxy server using a simple tool called CCProxy. If you're interested in networking, cybersecurity, or IT skills that actually matter in the real world, you're in the right place. So without wasting any time, let's jump straight in. We've already talked about what proxy servers are in a previous video, but today the focus is practical. I'll show you how to set up a proxy server, how to configure users, and how to route your internet traffic through it. There are many tools like Squid or Linux-based setups, but CCProxy is by far the easiest for beginners, which is why we're using it. First, open the link I've added in the video description. Once you're on the CCProxy website, click the download button. You'll see multiple download options. Just choose the standard free version. Installation is very simple. Just follow the on-screen steps and finish the setup. Once it's installed, go ahead and open CCProxy. When CCProxy opens, you'll notice that the server is already running. Before making any changes, stop the service by clicking the Stop button. Now click on Options. Here you'll see different ports for different protocols: HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, SOCKS, and more. These default ports work perfectly, so you don't need to change anything here. You'll also see an auto-detect option for IP addresses. Leave it enabled so CCProxy automatically selects the correct local IP. Click OK to save. Next, click on Account. This is where we create users who are allowed to use the proxy. Click New. Enter a username. You can choose anything. Enable password authentication. Set a password of your choice. For the IP address, click the question mark icon and then select Retrieve. CCProxy will automatically assign a valid local IP address. Click Apply, then OK. Your user has now been successfully created. Now everything is ready. Click Start to turn your proxy server back on. At this point, CCProxy is running and waiting for connections. Next, we need to tell Windows to use this proxy. Open Proxy Settings on your system. Under Manual Proxy Setup, enable Use a Proxy Server. Address. Enter the IP shown in CCProxy port. Use 808 for HTTP and HTTPS. Click Save. Important. Make sure CCProxy is running before enabling this. Otherwise your internet won't work. Now open your web browser and search for What is my IP? You'll be asked for a username and password. Enter the credentials you created earlier in CCProxy. Once logged in, refresh the page. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see that your traffic is now routed through the proxy server. And that's it. You've successfully created and configured your own free proxy server using CCProxy. This is a great tool to understand how proxies work, test network behavior, or practice IT skills hands-on. If you found this video helpful, like the video and turn on the notification bell. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll reply as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.